My name is Neetu. I'm from Delhi. I'm a housewife. If I am talking about my education, I have completed my 10th or 12th from CBSE. Uh,
Okay.
when I was doing my graduation, when then I did marriage. So I didn't complete that, but still I'm. So this is my education only.
Okay. Okay. So, have you any topic in your mind?
Right now, I don't have. If you have, so please suggest any topic.
Okay. So, we can talk about cooking because I don't have, talking the cooking regarding the cooking.
Okay, okay. So do you love to cook food?
Yes, I love and I can sometimes, when I get time, that time I cook some many different type of food and some different delicious food. So I love and I can. And what about you? Do you love or not?
I can cook, but if you can say so, I am a foodie.
Yeah, yeah.
I love to eat. When it comes to make the food, I can say I don't want to cook. My husband cooks better than me. Whenever he cooks tasty food.
Okay. So your husband can cook the food.
No, whenever he has a holiday, mostly he cooks at Sunday because he said to me, "Okay, this is your free time. You can take rest, and now I can cook for you." Okay, then I said, "Okay."
Okay. So yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. I love, Chinese food and some southern food like idli, sambar, dosa, and sometimes I cook and I eat. Yeah.
Wow, wow.
So do you
Whenever.
like
Hmm.
idli
Sorry,
sambar? Do you like
I
idli sambar?
when I was pregnant, I ate a lot. Pav bhajis, idli dosa, idli vada pav. I eat a lot.
Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, whenever you go any restaurant, so that time, what kind of food do order to prefer to order?
I love Chinese. So it depends on mood what we want to eat. Yes.
Yes,
If
yes.
we went to the South Indian restaurant, so there should be South Indian. If we went to the क्या कहते हैं, Chinese restaurant, so there should be Chinese. So it depends
Yes.
our mood, so where we want to go.
Okay, so what do you think? Cooking is a passion or cooking is a extra work for the lady?
For me, it's an extra work.
Okay.
There
Yeah,
are so many ladies, so they love to cook. They love to cook for their families. Yes,
and they are trying to make their career on the cooking, in the
yes.
cooking.
Yes.
So
So there are so many male chefs. They love to cook. We cannot deny this also.
yeah, but
You know.
we in our home, yeah, actually, all the women cook the food, not men, and it is considered that only women, cook the food, not the. It is not going to be for the man. So yeah, sometimes in my home, I always cooked, and in my maternal house, that time my sister-in-law cooked, and sometimes when it's special food. I prefer the
Mhm.
cook the special food like halwa,
Yes.
yeah, carrot,
Mhm.
gajar ka halwa, and pudis. The special food I prefer.
When in my home I cook most because in my mother-in-law and my father-in-law they live in a village, so I cook here. But when it comes to uh, clean the kitchen, I do all the things. But I said to myself, now this looks like a servant, because if we are doing same time same work again and again, so we feel bored. Yes.
Yeah, daily. Yeah, daily we can, whenever we can, all the things daily basis, that time it is going to be very bored for us.
Very
So
bored.
yeah, so sometimes we are going to irritate and we are going to anger. So yeah, and
Sometimes
we are
we get
shouting
like
our
I
husband
don't. Mhm.
sometimes.
Mhm. So, what do you like to cook most?
Yes, yeah, I like, today I cooked paratha, aloo, matar, peas, paratha. And this time I'm going to cook cauliflower, vegetable. And sometimes, this is not happen to cook a special food daily basis. You can't cook a special food daily basis. So when I get time I cook like pav bhaji. And yeah, I love pav bhaji from my when I, yeah, I have a one order. So yeah, order, yeah, delivery man is coming on my gate.
Okay, okay, okay. So, do you want to stop this conversation?
Yes, but he is not knocking my door. I think he is going to other door.
Okay, wait for.
Yeah,
So, what is
I'm
you
good.
what you ordered?
Yeah, I ordered some, beauty product like cream. Yeah, this time is winter season, so we need to take care of our skin. So I ordered winter cream and one conditioner for my hair. Yeah.
Hmm.